welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on Philips Epilator. It's a handy device, but it has to be connected to a plug point. I did not like to waste my money on chargeable epilator because I don't need it. It completely serves me the purpose of removing the hair, and I'm loving it. Now that cover is for sensitive area, but I recommend this epilator is not supposed to be used on sensitive area, just arms and legs. This is how you are supposed to use it. Never use this epilator on underarms or any bikini area. Just keep moving the epilator in the opposite direction of your hair. It is a fast process, and I have to say, I'm honest about it, that it has decreased the growth of my hair. This is like the full growth that you are seeing on my hand. Even in this process, I have to say that the hair that grows after this process is even slow. I use it once in a month. But only benefit I see in waxing is that when the strip is ripped off, it takes away a dead skin. So our skin looks clear. Negative point about waxing is that it creates a mess. We need lots of things, and this epilator is mess free. It's just an epilator and my hair on my hands. That's all. I'm using it for 2 years now. With this epilator you can never harm or hurt yourself because it does not have blades. It is only pulling out the hair with the follicles from roots. I completely recommend this epilator to everyone who do not want to waste their money in salons. Just one time you have to spend money on this epilator and you will never ever go into a salon for waxing of your arms and legs. Like after every hair removal, just wipe off with astringent because we don't want any pimple or any ingrown hair. That's all guys. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Bye.